What's good, Pyros? Got another late night vintage pyro demo for you guys. This is a late 1970s Tiger Head brand silver Orchid, and as you can see, vintage DOT Class C. I'm going to get to this in a second, guys, but before I do, want to thank you for 2,000 subs. Didn't know there were that many vintage pyro nuts on the internet, but I guess there are. Anyway, guys, thanks again. Something cool coming for that soon. And let's get this vintage candy going here. See what she does. Come on. You gotta be shitting me. What's good, Pyros? Thanks again for the 2,000 subs. I had to pause the video, which I never do, to replace the fuse because this 1970s janky Visco didn't work. Again, this is a DOT Class C, Tiger Head brand, silver Orchid. As you can see, DOT Class C, unsafe, insane. Let's get her lit, see what she does. And let's hope it actually works. Those 70s fuses might not work. The product always does. Sweet. Still going. Like, comment, subscribe.